world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya. Shema chobi mada joka. Kemo diziche, ajuju onye kana juo.
Mama, I did not do anything, Mama. Mama.
Hey, don't go.
Start talking.
True to God, I did not take the money.
Hey! So me too good. I'm the thief now. I am the thief. You dare
Mama,
call
it's
me
not what I said.
Mama,
Rita! You are a thief! You are the thief in this house!
Mama, it's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that you should please ask Angolika or Choma. I don't know if maybe they...
Hey, Isigini!
So my children are
What did you say? Out me! You didn't call my name! You didn't call my name! Are you stupid? Are you mad?
It's like you don't have respect again. You don't have fear. So are you not the only thief you have in this house?
Please don't call me a thief.
Oh, you are a thief! You are a thief! You are a thief!
You will come back.
You're a bad, you're an evil child. Yet you're a thief.
I said don't worry, leave her.
You will
come back. She must come back.
I'm not being unfair.
You will still come back and collect.
In fact, I blame you too. When you should have killed her. Eh? No, woman.
Mama, no, now. I'm just respecting you. Mama, I'm just respecting you.
Don't respect me. Kill her.
Eh. Don't worry, she will come back. She will come back. I'm waiting for her now. Yeah. Nkemo disiche Mwaberu wando Akwa mwanebe Nkemo disiche Ajojo wogwe na jo.
What is happening? What is happening? Eh? Who did you fight with?
It's my stepmother and children. They almost killed me.
Imichugo and her 2 children nearly beat you up, or that they beat you up?
Mercilessly. For nothing, Uncle.
Oh my goodness. Eh? Why is Chugo behaving like this? Why can't she accept you as her own daughter too?
Uncle, I don't know. She hates me so much. She hates me. I don't know what I've done to them. I don't know why they are treating me like this, Uncle.
It's okay. Quietly walk back home. Eh? I'm going to somewhere. When I come back in the evening, I'll come to the house.
Uncle, no, they will kill me in the house. I'm not going. I'll stay here.
Nobody will kill you.
Uncle,
eh?
no, Uncle, no. They are waiting for me.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Just stay in the house. Let me open the door.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Just stay calm. Stay calm. I'm coming back. Children, I have said it. This woman is wicked. She's wicked. I'll go straight. What do you have to do?
is she seated under the tree, all alone? She seemed to be crying. What could be wrong with this innocent girl?
Yeah, you look thick.
Thank you, welcome!
Hello, man.
I'm surprised. This one, both of you came unannounced. Hope everything is okay.
Everything is fine. We just wanted to surprise you.
Oh, yes.
Surprise me?
Yeah.
Then give me a good hug.
Man, bro, did you see what I'm seeing? I mean,
She has been eating our mother's money. Look at her.
Your money.
She has been consuming our father's money.
Yes,
Look at you.
I love it.
Which man is responsible for this? Hey! Udoka, how you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Mom, you're really taking care of him. He's looking fresh, unlike the last time I saw him.
That was when he came near.
Oh, yeah, that's true, that's true. Udoka, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah. Udoka, please get our luggage inside.
Okay.
All right?
All right, sir.
I'll see you later.
Look at my brothers!
Which man is responsible for this thickness?
Soon I'll bring him home. Hey,
Mommy, she's becoming full auction.
look at my brothers. They are doing great.
Yeah.
Proud of you both.
We've been hustling, girl. We've been hustling.
What did you give her this morning?
Her favorite.
More
She's
hobby because I'm hungry.
Listen there. You look good. You look good.
Proud of you.
Mom, you look good.
Good. Your hand work.
This girl is Shumarana. She is a chronic liar. She lies even when she's caught red-handed in the act. She still be jumping up and down on the line.
Did anybody see her do that?
Uncle, nobody.
If you open that your mouth and say that nonsense again, I will kill you here.
Chuku.
Chuku. Have you ever seen a thief that I said yes, I stole?
You didn't want to. Chuku.
Chuku what?
Chuku.
Chuku what? It's not to short small girl that is talking. Ibuezalo, you are an evil man. Is that what he came here to do? To join wrongly? Back to sender. Back to sender. No problem. This girl will not allow me peace in my own husband's house. She's a thorn in my flesh. This thing is for her. I tell her I killed your mother? When I killed her mother, did you tell her that?
Stop all this. Eh? Let her be.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that nonsense. Don't tell me that. Instead of you to stop her from doing all this evil. As she came and I told you she's a thief, you flog her. Pick her and flog her well. Where has she been since morning?
My house, of course.
Hey! Ikwalo. Your house. A grown-up girl like this came to your house this morning and you kept her. No wonder.
Of course she was afraid to come back home.
Afraid to? Did I kill her? I'm not ha!
I want to
I've got him band of people. You are the one deceiving this girl. You are the one misleading this girl. You are the one that has never told this girl the truth. No wonder she's behaving the way she does.
Sugar.
You are the one spoiling. Don't you go me.
No, I want to understand this. So you mean that she has committed a heavy sin to come to me?
Why should come to you? Are you the one feeding her?
I'm her uncle.
Really? Then when you're going, take her along. And take care of her. Feed her with egg. Put her on the bed. Wrap her well. As the uncle.
Listen to me. If your plan is to chase this little girl out of her father's house, it will not work. Yes.
Then take her to your house. Else I will kill her.
You will not kill her. You will not kill her.
No problem. Oh, you don't know. Nobody will ask me anything.
I know I'm worth nothing. But then when they got you, say,
oh dear, let those people come and train her well now. Let all of you that will come and join us take care of her well. When you are going, take her. We're all Carry her on your back, strap her well. Use all, I know those things they used to carry baby. Because she's not a newborn baby. Strap her on your back and carry her home. If you don't carry her, shame will be on you. Hey! Now you have said it well. Every evil thing you have been saying in your brother's house, you will repeat. In fact, you repeat in your house 1,000,000 times. You are an evil man. Tell her. Also, have you seen her? Have you seen her? In my presence, she's doing Don't worry. Okay, man, you know now. You know. Carry her home. If you don't carry her back to your house, God saved you. If not, I would have used you to close this door now. Don't call me. I didn't meet you.
Why is she treating me this way?
Stop crying. It's okay.
What have I done?
I don't want you to cry. Huh? God have a way of treating things right.
Let God treat this one.
It's okay. Don't cry.
I don't know what I've done.
It's alright.
I don't know why she's treating me like this. God knows I'm not a thief. I did not steal any money.
I trust
Can
you.
you judge me? Can you judge me? This is too much for me.
I said
This is
Olaedo.
too much, Uncle.
Your father is watching you wherever he is.
My father should do something.
There is a way out. Of course. There is a way out already. I am here. Huh? Everything will be fine. You know? It's okay.
That is serious, honestly.
Well, it's not me.
Are you sure it's not you? It's okay. How is business?
Business is fun, you know. We're pushing.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Even Afunwa is doing well too. He told me he added another warehouse to his business.
Mom, you have no idea. Afunwa is doing absolutely well. You need to see all the chains of businesses he's doing.
Oh, I'm so
Congrats, big bro.
Thank you, kidsies. Mom, see, we came back for something. My brother and I are not getting younger anymore, so we have decided to settle down and build our family.
Wait. Don't tell me both of you want to get married same day.
Do you have a problem with that?
No, not really. I like it. In fact, I love it. But first thing, you have to bring your fiancés for me to give an approval.
Well, don't worry, Mom. You'll see them first thing tomorrow.
Yeah. First thing tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Hope they are beautiful and good women.
Of course.
Mother, you need to see my woman. She is an epitome of beauty.
Mom, please don't mind him. My girlfriend is more beautiful than his.
Hello. You saw my girl the other day. You told me that she's beautiful. Remember?
Yeah, she's beautiful, but she's nothing compared to mine, and you know it. Mom, you know he has a terrible taste when it comes to choosing women.
I know you. I know my brother got big eyes.
All right, Mom. Let's just sort this out once and for all. You guys be the judge. We'll bring our women tomorrow.
Mom, you'll be the judge.
Okay.
All right. How about we have a bet?
A bet?
Yes. 5 million.
5 million?
Yeah.
Bro, you're gonna lose.
I'm waiting to lose 5 million.
I'm game.
Send it to my account. I'll be in charge.
Why is the compound like this? Why is the place looking so untidy? We walked to yesterday. Still it's everywhere still it's like this. What is happening? It's a good morning. Where is Olaedo? I say here, good morning. Why is this compound like this? Huh? Come, put that thing down and answer me.
Drop it at the backyard.
Drop it here.
Mama, I'll still sweep it. I'm just coming back from the stream. I went to fetch water.
So how many have you gone today?
Mama, this is actually the first one I'm fetching.
Really? So what have you been doing since morning you woke up?
I did not wake up on time. I'm not feeling too well, Mama.
You're not feeling too well? Why didn't you die? When you know you weren't feeling well, you should have died with whatever you're sick of. Huh? And the compound should remain like this because you're dying.
Mama, please. I will let me just...
Why didn't you die with the headache? Why didn't you die with the headache? Why didn't you die with the headache? Why is this place like this?
Mama, I will sweep it. I said that.
Then start sweeping it immediately
You
now.
will sweep it.
Go and get a broom and
my
sweep
own pound
it.
of flesh.
Mama, because...
For you not to
Go and get a broom. Go and get a broom and sweep the house. Go to the back and this way. Go and get a broom and sweep the house. Somebody will not rest in this house. Somebody will not just rest. If you will not allow somebody to rest in this house, you should leave me alone.
Hello, baby. Good afternoon.
Hello. How are you, babe?
I'm fine. And you?
I'll be there shortly.
Oh, really? Okay. I'm waiting for you.
I'm on my way.
So he's coming. I'll just get myself ready. Okay.
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya. Shimo, okwa nwa ogbenye na kpọ gị o. Gbasara ya senye maka n'obi mmadụ ajọka nke mọdịzi iche ajụjụ onye ka na-ajụ
Is everything all right? Why are you crying? Why? What's wrong? Yesterday I took this route, I saw you here, same spot. You were crying. And now today, you're still at the same spot, crying. Why are you crying? What is it? I can be of help.
I don't want to talk about it.
Please. I need you to talk about it. I can help you. What bothers you?
I don't want to bother you with my problems.
My name is Lotana Edward. What's your name?
Olaedo.
Fine name. Are you from this village?
Yes.
Who is your father?
Little Denna.
Oh, sorry about that. How about your mother?
She's dead too.
Wow. 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 So sorry. I see you're heading to the stream. Can I take you there? Please let me help you.
Thank you.
At least you can tell me where I can find you.
I can just help you to the stream.
Olaedo! Olaedo!
I did not see how. Eh?
She has started again. This time, our mother will put pepper inside her eyes.
Ma, we have not seen her. What's this one? What is all this nonsense about? Eh?
Mama, here she comes.
Agaracha must come back. Agaracha must come back. Eh? Now you, Madam Chugo. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Wogi. Where are you coming from?
Mama, I went to return the jerry can I used to fetch water.
Also, what happened to our jerry can?
Can't you answer Choma's question again?
I stumbled on something and the jerry can fell down and broke.
Hey!
My own jerry can. Stumbler. My hard-earned money.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Jerry can go okay go.
The only jerry can we have in this house.
Don't worry. You know you
Hey!
have to pay.
Hey!
Stumbler. Mama, pay me. Stumbler. Pay me.
You know the jerry can we have. Nothing she will run.
That is what I don't
Nothing
know.
will run. Mama, you should have allowed me to handle her this time.
Were you not here? Here, I'm going to put a corner and I'm much more on again.
Mama, that girl has single bone.
I don't even understand what you're big for nothing. Are you not taller than her?
Mama, she has single bone.
Yes, Mama. And you have double. Single and double, which one is stronger? If it's one big lump of meat now, two of you will eat it in one swoop.
But she will still come back now.
Every time I say that one,
what is this? Why is she always running every time she sets eyes on me? Why? I mean, why does she always run? Oh, wait. And I'll find out. Babe.
Baby, I'm so sorry. I kept you waiting.
I told you not to bother yourself about the drink.
Oh, but you're my guest. Yeah, and courtesy demands that I should offer you cola. So this is for you.
All right.
Yeah.
If you insist.
Of course I do.
So,
So, baby, should I go and dress up?
Dress up for what?
To go and see your mom. Remember?
Oh, yeah, that's true, but I'm afraid that won't happen today. My mother's not going to be around, so I guess we should just reschedule. What do you think?
Okay, that's fine. Anything, baby.
Yeah. That reminds me, where's your mother?
Yeah, she stepped out.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just all alone.
Yeah. I know, yeah.
Mama, where is that idiot? I think she's still sleeping.
Are you sure?
Mama, go ahead and give us the good news now. Are you now afraid of her?
No, I'm not afraid of her.
Go ahead.
The man has finally paid. Has paid for the land.
Mama, you mean he has paid for that land? Hey! Thank God. So how much?
He paid.
Toko.
He paid 1.5 million.
Hey!
Shouting. You're shouting.
1.5 million. Hey! Mama, too much money. Mama, 1.5 million naira is so low. Are we that cheap? Mama, I was expecting to hear something like 2 million naira, 2.5 million upwards. Will you shut up? Come on, Michiano.
Let's start with this one.
Hey!
Maybe if this one is not enough, we'll say another one. But you two should keep quiet. Close your mouth before that good for nothing girl hears you.
Mama, she will not hear. Do you know you don't have sense?
I'm hungry. Has she cooked?
But she did not cook. Oh. We two have not eaten.
Where did she go again? Where did she go again? I'm coming. Let me go and find myself something to eat. I'm very hungry.
I'm not going to eat. 1.5 million. Hey! Come and see me now. I will collect some money from Mama, buy good clothes, shoes, fix my nails, do plenty things with good money.
Gara, what are you doing here?
Nothing.
I want nothing. Continue. Madam Chu, Anana Bebo Natani. Madam Chu. Madam, why haven't you cooked?
Mama, I'm not feeling too well.
Chimo. You're not feeling too well. Is that the reason you have refused to cook? Sickness from Naka Konoku. So who will cook the one you will eat? Because I know you will not die in the sickness. Since you're not feeling fine, I'm going to put her in go check.
Mama,
put her in bed.
I've been the one cooking in this house now. Mama.
Give me the right to talk when I'm talking. Listen, before I close these eyes and open it, you have run to that kitchen now and start cooking. We're also gonna come now. You're not feeling fine. I'm not feeling fine. You're being the one cooking. And this one you not cook. 5 minutes. Let that food not be ready. Whatever.
Alright, darling, you will see me shortly. Yes, I'm on my way. Alright.
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya. Shimo.
Olaedo! Wait! Olaedo! Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. What happened? I saw the young girl run away when I was coming.
Yes, why she always running?
Each time I pass here, I always see her cry here. I try consoling her because I feel her pains too.
The question here is, why is she always here crying? And each time one tries to help her, she runs.
Yes. Since she lost her parents, she comes here to cry. Yes. The worst part is her stepmother treats her so bad. So I feel her pains as well.
Do you know where she lives?
Yeah, of course I do.
Can you take me there, please?
Oh no, that won't be possible now. As you can see, I'm just coming back from the farm. Let's you just give me a little time to drop this cassava, so I'll come show you.
Okay. I'll wait. I'm just by my car here. I'll wait.
Fine. So let me just drop this out.
All right, please. Yeah. Easy. I'll just wait here.
Okay.
Easy.
All right.
Onatago.
Agaracha must come back. I thought you were going to stay there forever. Thief. Agaracha must come back.
Run away, soldier. You're back now.
Where is my money?
Mama, which money?
The one you stole, since you have forgotten.
Mama, no now. I'm not a thief.
Stop! Oh! Liar! You are a thief, liar! You stole my mother's money. Talk!
I will not have you insult and accuse me of something I did not do. I am not a thief.
You want to fight my daughter? Before me, you're talking to her like that? Mama, change your eyes like that?
But what she's doing is not good.
Give me I'll slap you. I will slap you. I'll slap you. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Mama, I don't have your money. I did not steal your money.
You stole the money. In your interest. Give me that money. Till evening, provide that money. Else I will kill you. Do you think it's the one you went and called that your stupid uncle? This time I will kill you both. Short, set you two ablaze and nothing will happen. Give me my money. Give me my money. Thief! Go and bring it. Give me my money. Bring the money. My hard-earned money. Thief. Shameless thief. When you catch a thief should be humble. Your own Chapuanya. Just try me and I'll kill you. Rubbish. Thief!
You had my mother. See how crocodile it is. You think you're deceiving us? You cannot deceive us now. It's not possible. I saw you. I caught you red-handed when you were sneaking into my mother's room. You think I did not see you? You think I'm blind, right? You must bring the money. You must bring it. If you did not bring this money, personally, I will go inside and pack all those rags you kept in my father's house and throw you away. You had my mother. Failure to bring it today. Today. You will see what will happen. She will kill you. You know her now. She will kill you. Onyoshi, criminal. Go and bring our money. Nonsense. You're still standing here. Go and bring the money, else you will not enter this house. See.
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya.
How are you? No, we are fine though. My only problem is this my stupid stepdaughter. Where's Bugomluri? Yes! She is a thief. Do you know that she stole my money this morning? Yes! Okay, we're follow. Girl.
Excuse me, Mama.
Let me call you back. Always woman. Hello. Juma, what is it? Juma.
Is this what I'm looking for?
Hey! Where did you get it from?
I was looking for something in your room, under your bed, so I saw the money there.
Okay, have you seen it? Olaedo stole this money and returned it. And that is how everything she has been doing to me. We make her feel so bad and she will turn her right. If not, she will die.
You're right, Mama. You're right.
Let's go and show me where you saw the money. Go and show me. Where were you running?
Mama, I'm telling you, Mama, I did not do it.
Me, Mama.
Don't run. Stay here.
Eh?
Just stay here. Stay here.
You open your mouth to call me Mama. Your mother is in her grave paying for her evil, her wickedness. That is why you should call Mama, not me. Not me. I'm not your mother. I'm not your mother. Why do you steal my money?
I did not. Even God knows I'm
You're a liar.
Mama,
you stole it.
I told her this. I know about
This one again, what is it?
Oh, Mama, you killed me. Mama, don't push her.
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
What is that? What is it?
Please.
She's a thief.
I've been looking everywhere.
Why? Why are you looking everywhere for me, Kedio?
I want to see you again.
For what?
He was bringing me to you.
Hey!
For what?
I have always known it. She stole from you, right? You know she stole my money this morning. I returned it back to my room to pretend as if she doesn't know anything that happened to the money.
Mama,
She did not. She did not.
Open your mouth and talk to me again. I'll slap you.
She didn't steal anything from me.
So why are you looking for her?
I presume you are her stepmother.
Yes, I'm her stepmother. And who are you?
My name is Lotana, son of late Chief Edward from Amude.
So why are you looking for her? This girl. Let me take my own pound of flesh.
Please.
She stole my money and returned it.
Even God knows I am not a thief.
Okay, God. Who has seen God? Have you seen God before?
Please.
When people lie, they call God. Anybody that's calling God is a thief.
Mama, you are accusing me wrongly.
Please. I'll take care of it. Please.
Just arrest her.
I will.
The best thing, arrest her.
I will. Can I just have a word with her, please?
Go and arrest her. Say what? And actually what? Look at the police. Police know how to handle thieves.
Okay.
You must go behind bar. When you run and they know you share.
You want it?
What can I do, Ganya?
Okay, you may boom wow. Get away! I won't ask for your opinions. No, I know that. I know she must have done something to him. And he's arresting her. I know.
I pray so. She just take her away.
Get away! I will send her your 2 legs.
It's okay, Mom. Just a few minutes, we'll be right back. She'll bring me to your house. We can talk about this.
Just take her to the police.
I'll bring her to the house. It's okay, I'll bring her to the house, okay?
Which house? Just take her to the police and save me all the stress.
All right. Thank you.
Why is she at the back?
That's where she wants to be. Thank you.
Go down here. What is going on? No reachable. Where is Lutan now? What's going on? I'm confused. We're supposed to be in his house by now. What should I do?
Wait, have we met before?
Yes, ma.
Remind me.
Ma, you remember the day your car broke down? I was the lady that helped you.
Oh, I now remember. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Wait a minute.
You two know each other?
Yes.
What a coincidence.
Hi. This girl is very, very industrious. You see the effort she made the day my car broke down on the road. She's a very hardworking girl.
Mother, based on what I told you, her stepmother has been maltreating her since the demise of her parents. I need you to take her in. Treat her like your own. Maybe she can be one of our maid.
There is no problem. She's a very good wife material.
Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, Mom.
Sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you,
Welcome to our home.
Thank you.
Please to make yourself comfortable. You like it?
Son?
Yeah.
Let's see outside. We're coming.
Okay, ma.
All right. Excuse us.
So why don't? No problem. This place is beautiful.
So, you said you wanted to say something?
Yes. Lotana, you see that girl inside there?
Yeah.
She's a wife material. She has a good family upbringing and very industrious.
All right, Mother. I have a fiancé. I'm bringing her to see you today.
Okay. I just said I should let you know.
Mother, like I told you, I brought that girl here for a reason. To be part of this family, I need you to treat her like your own. Her stepmother has been maltreating her since she lost her parents and she's suffering. I need you to put an end to that suffering. Please.
There is no problem, Lotana. I will employ her. But if you ask me, I suggest you marry her. She's a nice girl.
I just said I have a fiancé. And you'll be meeting her today. She's even the one calling.
Okay.
All right, Mother, I'll see you inside. Yeah, sure. Hello. All right. I'll be there shortly.
Oh, baby. Yeah.
Oh.
Baby, welcome to my humble abode.
Wow. Beautiful house you have here.
Really?
Yeah.
You like it, huh?
I love it.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. Yeah. My mom is waiting inside. So let's go there and put up a very good impression. You understand? Smart
Trust
girl,
me.
come here. Mwah.
Stop. Do you know if your mother is watching
Come
us?
on, girl. Stop! Shit is smart. Come on, girl.
Your mother.
Doesn't matter. You're my property, you understand?
So, Mother, that fateful day I was driving past, I saw her on the...
Yeah, welcome to my home. Yeah. Mom, meet my fiancée, Tina. Tina, my mom.
Good day, ma'am.
Yes, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oledo. What are you doing here?
Auntie Tina.
Oledo.
Wait. What is going on here? You two know each other? Do you know her?
Yes.
What is going on here? My mother seemed to have met you. My brother and his girlfriend. You seem to be famous. Who are you?
Where have you been?
Excuse me, what is going on here?
Mother, I know her back in the city. It's just that we lost contact.
Oh.
Guy, we are not safe here. Check the gun. Go. See, guy, calm down now. We are not safe here to start checking this bag. Let's go to my place immediately. My friend, take this bag now. What did happen now? Check this bag. You do like that. Take that bag. You don't start. See, hey.
Guys, listen. I want that bag now. Else, I swear to God, I will break your head with this.
Calm down, I will come.
Really?
I swear to God, if you're near here, I will break your head. I will kill you.
For the last time, you don't know me. Let me have that bag.
Who you be? See, if not this bag, if you think you will have this bag, fools.
You want me to try, Abi?
Try it. Come now, put up what you want to
want us to try, Abi?
Try it now.
Did you see that girl?
Where did she go to?
You get that girl they rob here, you see her?
That's everything I have in my life. How would they believe that bag was stolen from me? They will not believe me. How do I survive? Biko Kwenu. Chineke,
I have been looking for you. I got your bag.
I think everything inside is intact.
Jesus, what happened to your hand?
It's just a scratch, but I'll be fine.
Hey, they did this to you because of me. I'm so sorry, God.
Okay, it's really nothing anyway. I'll be fine.
Okay, let me just help you treat it. Oh?
No, you don't have to, okay?
Oh, you're bleeding. Just wait, let me look for. Use this so we can stop the bleeding. Hey. Sorry.
It's very painful.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. I'm so sorry they did this to you because of me. I'm sorry. God, I don't know what I would have done without this bag. I don't even know. 150 kobo. Piam, I don't have. Hey, God, thank you.
Thank God we brought the bag back.
Yes, I don't know how I would have survived. I was going to the market to buy something. All these hoodlums now snatched my bag.
I'm sorry for the injury. Sorry.
I'll be fine. I'll just
Hot rice, sweet hot rice. 200, okay? Yes. Sweet hot rice. Odioku. Rice Olaedo rutego kwa o askwana na agwaro gị ọ ga ha agwụ atakwa n'aka n'ọnụ ọ dịkwa ọkụ. Don't say had I know. Okay, you say your
Madam, I beg, give me food.
Okay.
You're hungry, yeah.
Olaedo.
Chineke,
how are you?
Oh, thank God, your hand has healed.
Yes, is this where you stay?
This is my enterprise, Yes, this is my shop.
The aroma is something else, so.
I cook well,
How much do you sell your food?
Give me your flask, okay?
What is this now? This man has sold food for me now. You should be out. I don't understand.
I will sell food for you now.
No, you can't tell me.
Bro, sorry.
Okay, see, because of him, I'll give you 100 naira rice free.
I beg, give me rice 200 naira. Which one be 100 naira rice?
Okay, you can't be poor and angry now. It's too much load.
But now you are insulting me. You are insulting me.
Sorry, she will attend to you,
I said I will attend to you.
Olaedo, it's really good to see you again.
Same here, It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Hey, where is your cover? I'm almost done, Sweet rice. How about I can regret?
So, how much is this?
Ibiakwa, what do you mean by how much? Please go and eat your food. And whenever you need food, come here, I'll give you free food. The only problem, Nana rush. My rice.
Madam, you know my rice 200 naira.
I'm coming.
Why do they marry the Yanka?
Hey, I said I'm sorry. So as I was telling you, my rice now, because it's usually very sweet and the best.
I can see, even the aroma speaks for itself.
I cook well. I cook 100 naira.
But I'm not 200 naira. That's 100 naira.
Sorry.
Ola, thank you so much. I'll see you.
All right, take care. God bless you. Hey. Bye.
Hey.
I said I will
But you went with them already.
Okay, see, Okoroko, can't you go? Don't pay for it.
No, because
don't pay for it. I'm that nice. You know you can't get this kind of delicious food there. So I'm amazing when the water.
Because I'm
happy. Rice, hot rice, hot rice. Okay, still there. Hot rice. What's up now? Okay, the grill. Sweet rice. Okay, the uncle. My brother rice. White rice and stew, beans, plantain, everything. It's hot. All the hot. Oh yeah, you don't want chop rice today. Sweet rice. That's what I can regret. Ask for them all who go. Like 10 plates. Fresh rice, Olaedo rice. If you don't get it, forget about it. I lost my parents to a ghastly motor accident. The car went up in flame immediately.
Oh my God. They were burnt? I am so sorry. I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. One of my uncles brought me to the city. So I decided to start this mama pit business. So I can save some money and forge ahead with life.
It is well. It pains me so much that such a tragedy should befall a beautiful and innocent girl like you. I don't know how to say this, but I can't hide my feelings anymore. I am helplessly in love with you. I know things are not exactly what I want them to be now, but I promise you that if things get better, I would love to marry you. Olaedo, you are my ideal woman, and I adore you. Please. Please just love me back the way I love you.
Why are you so fast?
No. It's love. It's love. Okay? Please tell me you have accepted. I will not break your heart. I won't disappoint you.
Madam.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Madam.
How are you? Let me see.
I beg, don't give me food, though. Hungry won't cut my belly into two. Sister, sorry. I'm okay here. I'm going to buy from the restaurant. I'm going to eat and sleep. I'll put Jara for you as you say you're hungry. I just want to be that person. I think I love this like all year.
Olaedo, where are you? This is the second time I am coming to your place and you're not here. Does it mean she no longer stays there? I have lost my phone and there is no way of reaching you. Maybe I'll check back tomorrow. I'll check back tomorrow. I will find you. I will find you, Olaedo. Sorry for bothering you. I think I recognize your face from Olaedo's spot.
Yes.
Please, I have been looking for her. Do you know where she stays now?
Any problem?
Yes, I have some things with her. I have been to her place several times, but she's not there. Please, do you know where she stays now?
She is no longer in this city.
Huh?
Yes.
What happened?
I heard that she has a problem with her uncle's wife. And the woman treated her out of their house. So she has gone back to her village.
She has gone back to her village?
Yes. I think I will be on my way now.
Thank you. This is all my fault. What do I do now? I am so happy to see you again after all these years. Mother, she was everything to me. We were so in love, it was so real. In fact, she is the woman I want to marry.
Wait. Are you out of your mind? Are you alright?
But wait, Afunwa, hold on. Did you actually bring me here to insult me?
No, Tina, I'm very sorry. Look, I will explain to you.
Explain what? Explain what to me? No, you should have just told me that you brought me here to insult me in presence of your family.
Tina, it's not like that. Hold on.
Don't, Tina.
I will explain. Hold on.
You see, are you out of your mind? Hey! You're still moving. Are you out of your mind?
Please, I have to.
No. Come back first.
What's your problem? What's your hey. Wait. What's your problem? Wait. Are you alright? You brought your fiancée home to introduce someone, and the next thing you see a girl that I brought home, all of a sudden you want to marry her. Is everything wrong with you?
Brother, you don't understand. I knew Olaedo before Tina. We were so in love. It's just that I lost her contact back in the city.
Good. you lost her contact back in the city, lose everything that you have about Olaedo. I brought her here as a housemaid she will be. Mom, there's a limit to nonsense that I will take. I've been keeping quiet because of the respect I have for you. Warn your son. Warn this boy to have respect for his elders. There's a reason I've been keeping quiet. The respect I have for you. Warn this boy. Warn him to stay away from Olaedo. I brought Olaedo to this house.
That's not even the issue. Olaedo and I have been in love before I lost her contact.
Mom, but you got this boy, you know, I'm going to break your neck.
You can do nothing.
I will do nothing.
Hey! Lutana, don't tell me that he has no right over her. That girl is my first love.
You shut up your mouth. Just say that first love again. Let me hear Olaedo from your mouth again. Look at this stupid boy.
You are the one who is stupid. Look at you. You brought the girl here to serve as a house girl. Then all of a sudden, you turned around and claimed she's your lover. How stupid.
Oh, it's okay. Enough! Enough of this nonsense. What is your problem? Eh? Both of you told me that you are bringing your fiancée to introduce her to us. So what happened now?
Mother, is that the issue now?
That is the issue. Both of you should stay away from that girl. Stay away from her.